In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a return and refund policy on Ecwid. Whether you're new to Ecwid or seasoned at online selling, a clear return and refund policy is essential for any business. It's not just about protecting your business, it also builds trust with your customers. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through two straightforward methods: adding it to the legal pages and to individual product descriptions. First, let's look at how to add your policy to the legal pages. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Ecwid's website at www.ecwid.com. Once there, simply log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the left hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Click on Settings and then select Legal. Now it's time to scroll down the page until you find the section labelled Return Policy. This is where you'll want to enter all the details of your return and refund policy. It's important to be thorough here. Let's go over what you should include. Start with eligibility, who qualifies for returns. Then define your time frame for returns or refunds. It's essential to tell customers how long they have to return their items, whether it's 30 days, 60 days, or another period. Specify any conditions that must be met, such as ensuring products are unused or include original packaging. Outline the process clearly. For example, explain how they should request a return and whether item needs to be sent. Lastly, clarify how refunds will be provided. Will it be through store credit, a refund to their original payment method, or another way? Once you have this information filled out, don't forget to hit save to ensure all your work is updated in your store. The second method involves adding the policy to your product descriptions. This can be beneficial if you want to make the policy visible on individual product pages. Start by navigating to Catalog in your Ecwid admin, then click on Products. From there, pick a specific product you want to edit by clicking on Edit Product. In the description section of the product page, you can add the same return and refund policy details. Placing the policy here means customers can see it directly alongside the product they're considering, potentially increasing their confidence to purchase. Again, remember to save your changes once you've added the information. These simple steps can really enhance your store's professionalism and reassure your customers you're committed to transparency and excellent service. That's it for our quick guide on how to add a return and refund policy in Ecwid. With these steps, you make sure your customers have all they need to feel secure when shopping with you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your Ecwid store even more successful.